The Redmi Note series, known as the best-selling mid-range phones worldwide, is getting a new edition with the Redmi Note 14 series. In this video, I'll talk about the Redmi Note 14 Pro, including its design and some specs that have been revealed. Starting with the design, the back of the phone has a camera module similar to the flagship iQOO 12 series. It features a rounded square camera module with 3 camera lenses and an LED flash. There's also a chrome border around the camera module. From the first look, the back of the phone appears flat. At the bottom of the phone, you'll find Redmi branding. In the previous model, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, they introduced some impressive features, so we can expect similar features in the Redmi Note 14 Pro and Pro Plus. For example, the Note 13 Pro Plus had an IP68 rating, which was a first for Redmi phones, and it also had Gorilla Glass Victus protection. So we can expect good durability in the new model as well. There haven't been any leaks about the screen yet, but it's possible that the screen might be curved again this time. There's another leak about the Redmi Note 14 Pro. This time, it's about the processor. The phone will come with a new Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, and it will be the first phone in the world to feature this chip. The maximum clock speed of this processor is going to be 2.5 GHz. While it's a lower version compared to the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, it's built on 4nm technology, making it power efficient. Compared to its predecessor, this processor will offer a 20% improvement in performance. It will also support generative AI functions and large language models, meaning it will be good at handling AI tasks. The Redmi Note 14 Pro will come with an Adreno GPU, offering a 40% improvement in performance. It will also have professional-grade image and video shooting features, including 12-bit triple ISP and 4K SHDR support, which will reduce power consumption by 12%. As for the camera, leaks suggest that the international version of the Redmi Note 14 Pro will feature a telephoto zoom lens as the third camera. However, in China, the third camera will still be a macro lens. Redmi phones are usually known for their durability, but last time, the price was quite high. So, it's important to see which price segment the Redmi Note 14 Pro series will fall into this time. Let me know in the comments what you think of the first look of the Redmi Note 14 Pro. For more updates on the latest technology, stay tuned.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe